Whatever I do, my calves don't grow anymore after 5 years of training. Should I still waste time training them at all?
Yeah, so that's funny because well, it's not funny, but people who actually were super obese and then they lose a lot of weight, they've got massive calves because they were, carrying around so much weight for so long. So I would say don't stop training them because despite the aesthetic side of having nice calves, there's also a functional side to it. Like if you're walking, if you're going upstairs, if you play any recreational sports, like your calf and your hamstring cross a lot of the same joints. So a healthy calf is also going to help you keep healthy hamstrings. And it's also going to help you reduce the likelihood of you tearing or snapping an Achilles, which is very common in guys who maybe play pickup basketball one day randomly and they haven't played for years. So I would say don't stop training a muscle, because if you stop, it's definitely not going to grow. So without knowing what you've been doing for it, calves are very difficult to get to grow, and they are something that does come with a lot of work. And I would say just try different things, and let's assume you've tried a ton of different calf raise variations. Go into some sort of tempo. So one of the favorites I've done with guys is lowering down 3 seconds and then coming up for 2 seconds. And if you haven't tried that, it sounds nauseating. It feels quite nauseating too. So usually a lot of people have done some sort of controlled lowering or the negative or eccentric, if you want to talk sciencey. But when it comes to the actual push part and pushing up, doing that really slow might cause some cramping. But give that a try. And I would try it with like a leg press calf raise or a standing machine calf raise if you have access to that. And you could also do it seated. Knees are bent, knees are straight. Like there's a ton of different ways, and you just got to slam them with a ton of weight over time, reps, different tempos, stuff like that.
Check out my TRT workout split or the ebook The Ultimate Guide to TRT Cream. Links to the merchandise shop in the description.